I started to film more indoors, so I wanted to upgrade my lighting. What I've got now is one studio light over here as my key light, and that's it. Other than the other lights in this room, that's the only light I really have to use when I'm filming indoors. So I went ahead and picked up this. This is the Zhiyun Molus G60. It's an LED video light, and it's basically the size of a Rubik's Cube. Now I went with a combo kit. It comes with basically everything you see here and a power adapter and a carrying case. But that combo kit also comes with the Bones mount adapter so I can add any light modifier to it. And it also comes with a mini softbox, which is possibly the cutest camera accessory I've ever seen. Now this thing's so light that I can just take my selfie stick here and attach it to it. Add a little tripod base to it. And I can pretty much put this anywhere that I want to. It can be powered by the power brick that it comes with, but it also takes power delivery via USB-C. So I can pretty much plug in any power bank that I have and turn it on. Like here's a small power bank that I usually charge my phone. This is an Anchor something. But let's go ahead and plug this in. Turn it on. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's bright. Oh man. And there you go. Now this power bank can only get this thing up to 24%, which is more than enough honestly, because this thing's only 1% and it is pretty bright as it is. I think this is at, oh my god, this is at 12%. This is at 24%. It's more than enough. But why buy this light if I'm not gonna use this whole power, right? So I went ahead and picked up this. It's a power bank. No, it's a 100-watt power bank. And the neat thing about this is that it's a power bank, but also a flashlight. It's cool to have, right? But with this power bank, I'm definitely going to be able to use the whole power of this light. So let's go ahead and switch this up. So now I'm able to get this all the way up to 80%, which is going to be bright. Okay, that's 80%. All right. So with this, I'm able to get this up to 80%, which is more than enough, obviously. But I still want that extra 20%. Like, who knows? I might need to battle the sun or something. But what I found out was this cable here is my weak link. This cable here is rated at 60 watts, so I needed something that would be able to handle more power, basically. So I went ahead and picked up this. It's a 100-watt power cable. Man, the things I buy come in the most generic boxes. But the cool thing about this cable is that it has a little LCD display on it, so it shows how much power is being pushed through the cable. How accurate it is, I'm not really sure, but let's go ahead and switch out these cables so we can get this thing at 100% and blind myself even more. You can see when you plug it in, it starts out at 0, and then once you turn it on, there you go, the numbers are showing now. And this is only at 1%. When I switch it to 50, jeez Christ, it says something, I can't see it right now. It says something. But it definitely goes all the way up to 100%. Okay, this is stupid now. Okay. So yeah, with the combo of this power bank and this cable, you'll definitely be able to get the 100% out of this light. So let me go ahead and do some test shots. First off, as a fill light. So I got the fill light set over there, it's at 10%. And the great thing about this is that it can be controlled off this app, so I don't even have to leave my seat to turn it off, on, bring up more power to it. This is at 100% right now, by the way, and that's still bright. That's crazy. But yeah, it definitely works great for what I want it for. Now let me go ahead and turn off this light and only use this light as my only light in this room. Let's go ahead and turn off the main light over here. Go ahead and turn on the G60. And at 40%, it's actually pretty good, especially for just one light. A little bit more shadows over here than I like, but I do have this reflector here. Put it down here, bounce it off, and gets rid of a lot of those shadows. So one light, it works pretty well actually. Like, this is gonna be great to travel with, especially when I'm like in Japan. Some of those hotel rooms are tiny. You know what? Let's test this out. It's actually gonna be a couple months until I'm back in Japan, but I do have a tiny bathroom that's about the size of some hotel rooms that I've stayed in over there. So let's go ahead and test it out in here. I know the audio is gonna sound horrible. Sorry about that, but let's test out this light though. Now this is at 1%, it's definitely not bright enough. So let's go ahead and turn this up to, this is at 25%. Man, I can get this thing all the way up to this thing is bright. All right, let's get this down. All right, this is at 15% and it works, it's definitely bright enough. Now let me turn this thing around, let me just bounce this light off the walls actually and see how this comes out. So I got this thing at 40%, bouncing it off the corner, and it's definitely doable in here, other than the audio obviously, but lighting wise, it's not that bad, it's not that bad. All right, let's head back to the desk. So yeah, that's the Zhiyun Molus G60, and honestly, I'm really happy with the purchase. Now, I need to go buy some sunglasses, because I'm starting to see spots. See ya.